Adobe Photoshop is a powerful and popular software application for image editing and manipulation. It is widely used by photographers, graphic designers, artists, and other professionals who work with digital images. Photoshop provides a comprehensive set of tools and features that allow users to edit, enhance, and transform images in various ways. With Photoshop, you can perform tasks such as retouching photos, adjusting colors and tones, removing unwanted elements, creating digital paintings and illustrations, applying special effects, and much more. The software offers a wide range of selection tools, brushes, filters, and adjustment layers to accomplish these tasks. Photoshop supports working with different file formats, including common image formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF, as well as raw image formats from various digital cameras. It also allows for non-destructive editing, meaning you can make changes to an image without permanently altering the original file, thanks to layers and adjustment layers. In addition to its core features, Photoshop integrates with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications, such as Adobe Illustrator and Adobe InDesign, enabling seamless workflows between different creative projects.